guys, welcome back to Chef Jodhan YouTube channel. As always, I want to thank you for your continuous support. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep watching my videos, learn new recipes. Also, if you're new to my channel, go right ahead, click that subscribe button, the notification bell, click that like button, and also leave a comment. Thank you. If you want to see my entire playlist on YouTube, type Chef Jodhan Kitchen for all my amazing videos and delicious recipes. Today's show is brought to you by one of my subscribers, Miss Peggy Russell Elias, who had made a request. On today's show, we'll be making one of Guyana's delicacy. When it's in season, all Guyanese try to have a taste, want to have a taste. Who can resist a good Hassa curry? These are the ingredients we'll be using today for our Hassa curry. 12 Hassa, 2 cups fresh coconut milk, 1 tablespoon ground Geera, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1.5 tablespoon masala, 1 tablespoon fish seasoning, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, a piece of edo, 10 pieces of okra, 1 saijan, 1 medium onion, 10 cloves of garlic, 3 tomato, celery and scallion. Let's prepare our seasoning for our Hassa curry. Starting with 3 stalks of celery, 6 stalks of scallion, cutting my medium onion, slicing it thinly, crushing my garlic cloves, cutting my tomatoes, not forgetting my peppers, 3 wiri pepper. Let's not forget the power okra, cutting off the top and the bottom. Not forgetting the saijan and the power edo. Let's start the cooking. I preheated 4 tablespoons vegetable oil over high heat. Time to add my powdered seasoning with my fresh seasoning. Adding 3 tablespoons water. Mix well to create a paste. Then allow it to burn for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that 3 minutes of burning the paste is up, time to add the pre-prepped Hassa. Okras, edo, and the saijan. Mix it together well. Now allow the masala mixture to cook into the fish about 5 minutes, and we'll come right back to add the coconut milk. Adding the coconut milk now. It's just enough, so I don't need to add more water. Now allow this to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is up. It's time to serve. Remember guys, today's video is brought to you by one of my subscribers, Miss Peggy Russell Elias. Thank you, Miss Peggy, for suggesting this meal. I had fun making it. Guys, if you want to leave a comment on my next video, what to make, go right ahead and do that. Here we go. Hassa curry served with demawar rice. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on my YouTube channel at Chef Jodhan. That's spelled CHEFJODHAN. Thank you for watching.